Hello everyone, welcome to Geometry video tutorial series wherein we are going to talk about some most amazing features of Geometry for Jira. My name is Shona Kamin, working as product specialist at Geometry, and today I'm going to talk about some exciting features of Geometry, that is how it can perform bulk operations. So bulk operation is a facility being provided by Geometry wherein you can see a separate button which is over here. So using bulk operations, what you can do is you can just move your assets based upon the desired operation which you are going to select from this particular bulk operation drop down menu which has been available over here. So in a way it provides you a shortcut way through which you can link a particular test case to a test cycle. So we are going to see how we can link a particular test case to a test cycle. So here you can see the list of test cases which are available. So you can simply select the test cases which you want to by clicking on this particular checkbox, or even you can just search it out the test case if you are having n number of test cases or the number of test cases are a more name number, then you can just type the key name. Let's say I do want to add a test case. Let's say that is with its key is test case number 24, and once I click on enter, you'll be able to see that particular test case being displayed over here. So you can select this particular test case and you can just copy in that particular test case to a particular test cycle. So here when you'll be able to see, once I clicked on add to test cycle, the list of test cycles are being available over here. So you can select any of the random test cycle, and once I'll click on submit, this particular test case will be automatically get scoped in to this particular test cycle for further execution. Similarly, you can also add a particular test case by selecting the test case and add to a story. So you can just select the story in which you want to add it, and once you click on submit, this particular test case will be automatically add to that particular story. So if you do want to see if the test case has been added or not, you can just go to it and you can just select the test cycle wherein I have added that particular test case. Herein you would be able to see that yes, this particular test case has been added, which was test case number 24. Now, similarly, we can perform the operations like bulk remove, bulk update, or even we can move or reuse the particular test cases to from one specific folder to another specific folder. So the bulk remove functionality will work like this, wherein you can just select the number of test cases which you do want to remove if they are no longer used. Then click on bulk remove. So system will allow you to click on apply, wherein it will show me a message that if you will delete this particular records, this action won't be able to get reverted back. Since Qmetry doesn't provide such functionality where you can just revoke your test cases once they are deleted. So you can just perform the bulk remove operation like this. Even you can perform a bulk update operation. So let's say I do want to perform a bulk update over this particular selected test case. So go and click on bulk operation and click on bulk update, wherein you can just change the summary name if you do want to. Let's say I do want to change the summary name. You can even change the description, or even you can add your description. Let's say this is for a demo purpose. You can even select the folder path wherein you want to update it or move it. Even you can change all the fields you want to based upon your selection. And once I click on update, that particular test case will be automatically get updated based upon the desired change which I have done. So you can just, once you perform the bulk operation, as you can see, you just need to refresh the page once again. And herein you can see that the name has, the summary of that particular test case has been changed with the other details which are selected. Even you can just move the selected particular test cases to a particular folder, or even you can just reuse them. So wherein you can just select the number of test cases, and go to bulk operation and click on move or reuse, wherein you can select the folder path wherein you do want to perform the operation, that is move or reuse. You can straight away move the test case. So it will be automatically get moved to the other folder and it will be no longer part of the current folder. Or even you can reuse it. So that particular the copy of that particular test case will be automatically reused into another folder. Let's say that is under porter users. Once you click on submit, it will be automatically get added over here, as you can see. And if you do want to opt for the free trial of Qmetry for Jira on Atlassian, then you can just go to Marketplace and search it out for Qmetry Testament for Jira. And even you are looking for more information about the product or you are looking for an end-to-end online demonstration, you can mail us at qtm4j@qmetry.com